My name is Alan Matthews. I'm the production manager for TD Cross Limited. TD Cross is the manufacturer of power transmission components. We were founded in 1870 by Thomas Dolby Cross, specialising in supplying into the gun trade. The company moved to its present site here on Shady Lane, Birmingham in 1950 and diversified into the production of roller chain sprockets and gears. In the mid-1980s, Cross Morse was formed through the acquisition of Morse Chain Letchworth, who specialised in the production of roller chain, couplings, timing belt drives and protection devices, such as torque limiters and spread clutches. This amalgamation brought two long-standing and established businesses in the power transmission sector together under one roof. And through the creation of a tool management department, CNC turning programs were now created offline and VDI tooling was preset through a means of a presetter no more than a shadow graph indicated X and Z coordinates. The company has been revising its tool measuring capacity for some time, knowing that an updated presetter would deliver a more accurate measuring process and help identify broken and damaged inserts and tooling. ZOLLER was recommended to us through a machine tool manufacturer. During our first meeting with ZOLLER, the sales team answered all of our queries and our confidence grew during the demonstration process, especially with the easy to understand ZOLLER presetting control. We decided to purchase a small 420 from ZOLLER as this fitted our requirements in the expansion of the tool management department. As a business, we was growing into different machines, into different VDI size of tooling with different geometries. And we just wanted to create much more of a tool library here in the tool management department with the aid of the technicians to be able to measure the tooling.
Life before ZOLLER was quite difficult because we had an old preset machine where you had to manually focus in on the cutting edge of your tool. And it proved quite challenging because we do have some complex workpieces that require up to 10 different tools to be loaded at one given point.
The transition between the two was quite easy from the CNC technician's point of view. The people who use it on a daily basis, they found it very easy to use. They can see the step forward of what ZOLLER's brought for us.
Certain tools we wouldn't have been able to measure, external groovers for example. We're now able to measure an accurate diameter of the groover, so that minimises potential scrappage.
As you can see behind me, we've got a series of tools which we keep here and they are only called out for specific jobs. The interesting thing with the ZOLLER, I could measure this tool right now and go check on the machine and the accuracy level is less than a micron.
So we've had the machine over 12 months now. We recently had our annual service, at which point there was no issues with it. From a training point of view, from the time the training happened after the commissioning process, there was no issues. The guys picked it up. Jamie Elliott has been our rep. He's been here. Beck and call, emails, phone calls have been answered.
In case we have any issues, they've always been on standby and they'll pop up to see us just to even check upon us.
I have no hesitation in recommending ZOLLER to any company looking to increase machining efficiencies by reducing machining setup time and eliminating the chances of using damaged or incorrect tooling.